welcome back to Angie's Table. Today we're gonna be making 3 dishes and it's gonna be Korean breakfast and we're gonna incorporate egg into all 3 of them. Korean breakfast is surprisingly our most popular video on Angie's Table, so we wanted to give you more content on breakfast. Egg was something that Grace and I grew up eating very often, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Somehow it was incorporated. So we wanted to share some of those recipes. Let's go and start with our first one, egg butter rice. Everything we need is here. Let's go fry up our egg. I uploaded a video on TikTok where I made this at home, and that is by far our most popular video on TikTok. I wanted to share it with you guys in case you guys don't follow us through that part of social media. Let's add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, teaspoon of sesame oil, sliver of butter, fried egg, mix this up, so let's give this a try. I'm gonna have it with some cream. It's like childhood. Gonna have one more before we go on to our egg sandwich. Let's start off by toasting our bread on butter. I'm going to use a chopstick to make an indent to fold it in half. Next, let's beat 4 eggs. Adding 2 tablespoons of milk will make the scramble very fluffy and soft. Add salt to taste. Cut the bacon to fit the sandwich. And feel free to leave the bacon out or substitute it in with ham. Koreans love adding ham to their sandwiches. Now let's assemble everything. If you have sliced American cheese, feel free to add that too. Add ketchup, mayo, and parsley for decor, and we're done. Wow. Let's crack 6 eggs and we're gonna beat it. We're gonna need a strainer, and we're gonna make sure that all the egg is run through the strainer because it makes it a lot smoother and the consistency is on point when you do that. Grace and I used to love eating this when we go to Korean barbecues because they sometimes have this as a side dish. So for this recipe, a tteokbokki is required. There are different sizes of it. This is probably like a smaller one, around 13 to 14 centimeters in diameter. Let's add in 150 mils of water to our small tteokbokki. Let's bring this to a boil. It is on very, very high heat. As for the seasoning, let's add half tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of salted shrimp. And if you guys don't have this, feel free to substitute it for some salt. Now that it's come to a boil, we're gonna add in half of our green scallions. Now let's add in our mixed egg. Make sure to keep stirring this around. Sometimes people add carrots and green onions. I don't really like carrots, so I'm gonna take that out. The heat is at a medium-low. And once this is about 70% done cooking, we're going to put either a bowl that's big enough to cover it, or for us, we're just using this lid. And we're gonna place it on top so it finishes cooking off in the steam. And the temp is down to a low. Sprinkle a little bit of sesame oil on top. And the rest of the green onions. Time to eat. Grace, do you want a spoon? I love this. So good.